Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make hard-boiled eggs easy. Start by placing eggs in a single layer in a pot and add cold water 1 inch above them. Heat gently to a simmer, then cover and remove from heat to rest. Timing is key to texture, so set a timer and prepare an ice bath to stop cooking immediately for consistent, tender yolks. In this video, I will show how to make hard-boiled eggs easy. After the water reaches a gentle simmer, cover the pot and remove it from heat for precise timing. 9 minutes yields firm whites with slightly creamy yolks, while 12 minutes produces fully set yolks. Always transfer eggs to an ice bath right away to stop cooking and to firm the egg for easier peeling and serving. In this video, I will show how to make hard-boiled eggs easy. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite fits nicely in a kitchen drawer and lets you read recipes hands-free while you cook. If you like tidy counters and a clear display, it makes following steps effortless and fun. Please subscribe and like if this helped. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make hard-boiled eggs easy. Cool eggs completely in an ice bath, then crack shells gently and roll to loosen the membrane. Peel eggs under a stream of cool water to help separate stubborn bits and remove shell fragments. If peeling many eggs, peel them in a bowl of water to keep things tidy and speed up the process for meal prep.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.